Psalm 30 is a hymn of praise and gratitude attributed to King David, one of the most important figures in the Old Testament and the King of Israel. This psalm is classified as a thanksgiving psalm, where the psalmist exalts God for delivering him from a dangerous situation and restoring his health, joy, and security. Psalm 30 teaches the importance of depending on God at all times, recognizing that He is in control of our lives. For those going through moments of crisis, the psalm offers comfort by showing that suffering can be temporary and that God has the power to restore and renew. This psalm is often used during occasions of celebration and gratitude, reminding the faithful of God's faithfulness and His ability to turn times of pain into times of joy and victory. The four central themes of this psalm are gratitude and praise to God. The main theme is the praise of God for His mercy and protection. Transformation and rebirth. The psalmist reflects on how God can turn moments of suffering into joy. Acknowledgement of human frailty. David recognizes that trusting in oneself without depending on God can lead to downfall. Prayer and divine response. The psalm shows the effectiveness of prayer and the certainty that God hears the cries of His faithful. Psalm 30. Prayer and divine response. I will extol you, O Lord, for you have lifted me up, and have not made my foes to rejoice over me. O Lord my God, I cried to you, and you have healed me. O Lord, you have brought up my soul from the grave, you have kept me alive, that I should not go down to the pit. Sing to the Lord, O you saints of His, and give thanks at the remembrance of His holiness. For His anger endures but a moment, in His favor is life. Weeping may endure for a night, but joy comes in the morning. And in my prosperity I said, I shall never be moved. Lord, by your favor you have made my mountain to stand strong, you did hide your face, and I was troubled. I cried to you, O Lord, and to the Lord I made supplication. What profit is there in my blood, when I go down to the pit? Shall the dust praise you? Shall it declare your truth? Hear, O Lord, and have mercy on me, Lord, be you my helper. You have turned for me my mourning into dancing, you have put off my sackcloth, and girded me with gladness. To the end that my glory may sing praise to you, and not be silent. O Lord my God, I will give thanks to you forever. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Subscribe, like and share.